how to create contact form in WordPress website. So here is our website. Let's go to dashboard. Now we need, first of all, we need to install a new plugin. So go to plugin section, add new. It will load the plugin section. Here you can you should search contact form 7. There are many plugins, but I prefer to use this one. So here it is. Let's click on install now. And after installing, you should see a button like this, activate. So let's click on activate. So as you can see, plugin installed. You can find it here in left section. So let's click on contact, and you can see that already one contact form is created. So let's click on edit. I will rename it. So we will build contact form like this one. I will give name code form. So let's I'll use same text names. So we'll copy simply. So here is a name for label. We can rename it. So next field is full name. So let's delete this and start from new one. So next step was full name. So let's click on text, give name. Required field, click on. So here you can see tag created, insert tag. Here you should type label, and here we should close it, full name. We can put stars so everyone can see that this field is required. So let's create now drop down form. So to user copy, I'll use this tool from Google. I will select now it. So here we can copy now all details, so all options. So now let's click here on drop down menu, give a name. I'll give name amount, and here we should paste all options. So here it is. First option should be please select, like this one. Now let's type it. Please select. Third one option. And let's copy all from here and paste it. Simply paste it. So it's completed. We can also should put that field required. Here you can see code generated for tag generated for this. Let's click on insert, and also we need to provide this option funding required. This text below the form, under the form. So same. Let's type label, close brackets. Here we should provide name. Let's type that field required, so users can see that field required. So 3 fields created already. So let's save our form first. Go to mail. Here you should type your email address where you would like to receive submissions. This one can be not required. Here we should provide all details what we would like to receive to our email. So I'll simply copy. Here we will see that message will come from this name and from this email. Here we should type so we will get full name, we'll get company name or business name, and here we should type funding required. We can add more fields, but it's same activity, same steps as I showed before. So let's simply click save. We will not lose time, and for demonstration purpose I will show you how to do this with free fields only. So let's copy now this one tag and go to your pages. Select your page, click edit. In place where you would like to display your contact form, click on element, type here code block, and simply paste your code what you got from contact form 7. Click on save. After that, click on update and click on refresh page. So here you go. So here you can see a form what we have just created. We can add more fields if required, and we can also customize form. How to do this you can see in my another videos.